Good day, everyone. Welcome to Highland Park, here in the Perch. So let's start the house tour from the facade of the property. Let's go. So good morning everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Perch Antipolo to feature ang ating Windsor brand new house and lot. Sitting in the area wherein we are facing an awesome view. Lot area is 375 square meter and 312 square meter ang kanyang floor area. Across two-level property, this property has 3 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, staff room, dirty kitchen. So let's keep the video up until the end para makita mo kung gaano kaganda ang bahay dito sa Perch at Highland Park, Antipolo. So let's start the house tour from the meets and the bounds, the physical appearance of the property. Let's go. Okay, so puntahan natin ang street. First thing, if you notice, surrounded tayo ng mountains and super elevated ang area ng Perch. This is a brand new property with modern look, nice street lines, clean lines of course, yung facade niya, single detached. This is ready for occupancy, selling in the market for 41.5 million, 5 years to pay, and if cash payment is 37.3 million. So if you are interested to buy and check out this property, contact us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Nakita ka ditong modern outdoor lamp with function over here. Ayan. Ang ganda ng design ng bricks natin. May mga lights na kayo dito sa labas. So this is the parking area. So ayan yung mga lights natin. Okay, so this is the parking area that can fit 4 SUVs. Partially covered ang parking area natin. May access door papunta sa living room. Ayan, sorry sa kaano natin kasi finifix nila. So dito may access tayo. May access door tayo papunta sa living room. And you have provision for additional storage. Dito meron din tayo dito. So yan ang ating parking. Ang ganda ng ceiling guys. May mga lights and fixtures na rin tayo. So dito sa left side, okay, we have the green side. We have straight stairs, access sa back door. Later on, ayan, pupuntahan natin yan. Landscapes. You have green plants. Ayan yung mga green plants natin. Mag-a-add ka na lang ng more plants. Ayan siya. Ang ganda. And before tayo umakyat, merong one room here na pwedeng spare room for office. Ayan. Pwede siyang spare room for office or another storage room. So, meron siyang mga sliding window, big sliding window. May view ka na dito. And you have view here sa iyong parking. Meron na rin siyang lights and fixtures. And siguro pwede rin mag-fit dito guys ang one single bed. So this is your stairs paakyat. Double L shape ang ating stairs going to your first floor. So, this is your porch area. Okay, so puntahan muna natin yung right side. This is the right side. You have greens here. Mga 2.75 meters ang setbacks. Pwede maglagay ng seating area. Ang ganda, guys. So, may pathway tayo dito. Papunta dito sa inyong likod. Ayan, so dito siguro pwede tayo maglagay ng sampayan. And meron na rin siya mga lights and fixtures. So punta natin ang porch area. So this is your porch area. Hello there, welcome to your brand new home here in the Perch at Highland Park, Antipolo. Let's go! Okay, so wide, modern, design, thick, heavy, strong. This is the main door. Ayan, so dito yung inyong function. And this is your living area. You have the nice ceilings. We have a provision for a living room chandelier. And you have here the U-shaped stairways that brings you to the second floor. Okay, so puntahan natin dito. You have here a French glass window. Dalawa sila. Ang napakaganda dito, very light ang bahay because of that ventilation, super wide windows, big sliding door, napakaganda ng vibe. Very homey. So you have access to the balcony. Wow, sobrang ganda. And let's go to your dining area. On your right, andito ang function area. Look at the ceilings. Beautiful ceilings. May provision na naman tayo for chandelier to your dining room. You have here the sliding door. Ayan. And dito nyo ilalagay ang inyong 6-seaters dining table. So, napaka-airy right now. We have access here sa inyong lanay. Ayan, buksan natin. And also, sa inyong front door. Okay, so here on your left ang ating powder room. So in the event na meron tayong mga special guest, ayan, check this one. Wow, so you have the wash area, bathroom tiles. Ayan, yung bathroom tiles natin from floor to ceilings. And the floor tiles. Ayan, hindi siya madulas. Parang tuloy-tuloy pala siya. Yung ating iisa yung ginamit na floor tiles sa bathroom, saka dito sa living room and dining area. Punta naman natin ang inyong kitchen. So, have a U-shaped counter, granite top with sink, double sink na siya, with faucet. You have a lot of storage here. Yan yung mga hanging cabinets natin. Big windows. Dito mo ilalagay yung ref mo. So everyone, kung gusto niyo po yung ganitong content, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time na ako ay may bagong video. And if you have friends, relatives, looking for a brand new property here in Sand Valley and the Perch, you can share my video. Okay? So kung nagustuhan niyo po ito, please like, comment, and share. Adjacent sa inyong kitchen, sa inyong formal kitchen, andito naman ang ating everyday kitchen. So let's check this one right here. Buksan muna natin yung pintuan sa back door. This is your back door. Ayan, pwede ditong sampayan or pwede kayo dito mag-barbecue. And you have a cooking area here. You have a faucet, you have a sink, you have a space for, pwede din siguro dito ang gas range or washer. And you have a floor to ceiling cabinets. Very spacious. Ayan. And here then is your staff room. Sa staff room nyo, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede dito ang single bed. Meron na siyang big windows and high ceiling din siya. And of course, meron din siyang toilet. Ayan, meron siyang toilet and bath. Meron siyang showers. Okay, so we are done here sa ating first floor. Let's go to the second floor. Let's check out the second floor. Kung makikita nyo, Señorita Designs, U-shaped staircase, ang design ng kanyang stairs, American modern solid wood, and kung makikita nyo, ang kanyang handles and railings designs are stable, so napakaganda. And you have a provision for a chandelier here. Ayan. So elegant. Ang ganda, guys. So, in the same way, this property is selling in the market for 41.5 million, 5 years to pay, and if cash payment is 37.3 million. So, if you are interested to check out and buy this property, contact us today on the number visible on the screen. This is the hallway. Dito sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath with family area. This is the first bedroom. Nice design with lights and fixtures na siya. May provision din siya for a room chandelier. Laminated yung ating wood flooring. Ayan. And we have big glass sliding door leading to your balcony. Ayan. So, buksan natin. Dito yan sa inyong second bedroom. Wow! Okay, so this is your balcony. This is your view, yung kapitbahay mo. Ayan. And meron din siyang built-in cabinet. Floor to ceiling. Ang laki, guys. And with your own private toilet and bath. Okay, so you have the sink, you have the faucet, and you have the toilet and shower. Lalagyan mo na lang siya ng bidet. Ayan ang kanyang bathroom tiles from floor to ceilings. Ayan, so shout out sa mga clients natin na naka-tune in lagi sa ating channel. This time, puntahan naman natin ang second bedroom. Adjacent siya dito sa room na to. So this is the second bedroom. High ceiling siya. And laminated wood flooring. big glass sliding door. Ayan. With built-in cabinet from floor to ceilings. And this is your own private toilet and bath. You have the sink, vanity mirror, and you have the toilet and shower. And may window ka din dito. Only window. You have the lights and fixtures. Naman natin ang master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Okay, so high ceilings, ang ganda ng design with lights and fixtures, cove light design. Laminated ang kanyang wood flooring. And adjacent siya sa family room na mamaya makikita natin. And with built-in cabinet. Ayan, floor to ceiling. And of course, itong mga cabinets natin ay soft close cabinet. Ayan, marami kang storage. We have here ang inyong walk-in closet. Plenty of storage dito sa inyong walk-in closet. And with your own private toilet and bath. Ayan, floor to ceilings din ang ating bathroom tiles. Floor tiles natin. And here is the shower. Ayan, meron tayong vanity mirror and sink. Okay? So, and we have a big glass sliding door leading to your balcony. So, here sa inyong master's bedroom. Ayan. So, ito yung magiging view mo dito. Okay, so this time, puntahan naman natin ang inyong family area. So dito sa inyong family area, high ceilings, nice design, with lights and fixtures, cove-like design siya, with French glass window, laminated ang kanyang flooring, and you have here the big glass sliding door leading to your balcony here sa inyong second floor. Ayan, nakalock din siya. So, super ganda ng view nyo dito. So peaceful and quiet. Overlooking view sa mountains. This is all year round. Ito yung magiging view mo kahit may magtayo dyan sa harap. Kahit may magtayo dyan sa harap mo, unobstructed view ka na dito. Ang ganda ng air ventilation mo. Ayan. And adjacent siya sa master's bedroom balcony. So, we are done now. Let's go downstairs para makita nyo rin yung wave sa ating car park and for our recap. Okay, so before tayo magtapos sa ating house tour, I would like to thank the developer of this property, Sand Valley Inc., for allowing us to showcase this property. To Miss Evelyn, Head of Marketing, thank you so much. Sa ating Sales Director, John, thank you so much. And shout out sa aming D2 Team Sand Valley Core Group. Okay, so alright, so this property, Windsor brand new house and lot area of 375 square meter and a floor area of 312 square meter across 2 level. Sa ground floor, we have the car park, 1 room, and ang ating landscape. Sa first floor naman, we have the living room, powder room, dining area, formal kitchen, everyday kitchen, staff room with toilet and bath. And sa second floor naman, we have 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, family area, and a long balcony. So this is a single detached, ready for occupancy, selling in the market for 41.5 million, 5 years to pay, and if cash payment, 37.3 million. At guys, ngayon lang yung June. So i-avail nyo na yung promo na yan. So if you are interested to buy and check out this property, contact us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay, so everyone, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time na ako ay may bagong video. My name is Jennifer Limiu. Thank you, everyone. Mama Mary loves you. Jesus, we trust in you.